name is Priscilla Martinez with Creative Brain Learning. Although everyone is still uncertain about this pandemic, we understand the gravity of it and have procedures in place to ensure our staff's safety and to continue to offer the necessary programs for the education of your children. We take education seriously and understand the importance of your child's development. Because this is our highest priority, we've invested our money and efforts to focus on a production studio that can provide high-quality live virtual programs, not only in production, but in our content as well. Check this out. With Creative Brain Studios, we provide live, high-quality virtual classrooms, streaming with multiple camera angles and the best high-quality audio to provide the best virtual experience possible. Our production studios allows us to provide breakout sessions with instructor aides to support your students with additional help. With our live virtual platform at cblonline.org, we offer integrated materials and resources for our classes, so you can get everything you need in one platform. It's easy to navigate and provides ample support and resources filled with rich detail to aid you if you're still having trouble. We are not sure how the new normal will look, but we wanted to stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's in a classroom or in the safety of your home, we've spent countless hours putting our heads together to provide a virtual platform of education through our production that can impact multiple school sites and districts at once, as well as service our students at home. With this hybrid model, we are confident that in the future, we can have the ability to remotely host multiple districts at once, virtually. Thank you for joining us at Creative Brain Learning Studios. For more information, contact us at cblonline.org. Stay safe. See you soon.